This is the Patio umbrella base. It's heavy duty with wheels, and it has a 125-pound capacity. So I filled up the umbrella base with water. You can use water or sand, and right now I don't know where my funnel is for the sand, so that's why I used water. So let me bring this down here. Let's see it. So here's the base. Of course, this is where the umbrella is going to go, and this has wheels. So you put it where you want, then you can lock it right there. So anyway, super easy to move around. And once I get the umbrella in it, I'm going to show you how that looks too.